Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to change the cabin air filter, first you open the passenger side door, open the glove box, and whatever you have in the glove box, just take it out. Now on the side over there is a dampener arm. Just grab the arm and then pull it off that clip and push it in to get it out of the way. Now this glove box is held in place by stoppers, one on each side. We need to squeeze it in to get the glove box out. And it's easier if you squeeze them in both at the same time with your hands. Now once the glove box is out, set it aside. Now right over there is the cabin air filter. All you have to do is squeeze these clips on each side and then the filter just comes right out. There you go, just grab it and it slides out. Now the top side of the filter is the dirty side, the bottom side is the clean side. As you can see, all the dirt is trapped over there. Outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the bottom goes into the vehicle. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now when you put the new one back in, note the direction of the airflow is from top to bottom. Okay, now let's get it in. Push it in to click it. Good. Now there's two cutouts on the glove box. They line up with those hinges. And they need to line up just the way I'm showing. Because when it does, it just goes right on. See, it just goes on. If you do it at an angle like this, you'll be struggling with it. So line it up the way I'm showing. Put the cutouts on the hinges. And it just goes on. Now give it a firm push to engage those two stoppers. Good. Grab that dampener arm. Pull it out. Put it on that clip. And then push it on to secure it. And now let's try this out. This is working good. And that's it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.